Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the pieces you'll link. Open your deck and insert any new slides with Ctrl+M, choosing a layout that matches content hierarchy. Once done, switch to slide sorter so you can see sequence visually. This makes linking logical. Make sure to name or note the destination slides if you have many. It saves time. You're creating structure before connections, which prevents broken links and keeps transitions crisp when you add animations or hyperlinks next. Now you connect slides directly. Select an object or text, then insert link place in this document to pick the target slide. This creates a reliable jump. For flow, apply transitions to slide edges and adjust duration so pacing feels natural. Too fast trips viewers, too slow bores them. If you want button-style navigation, add action buttons and assign slide number targets. They provide predictable behavior during presentation. Make sure hyperlinks and actions point to the intended slide number. Finish by testing everything in slideshow mode so you experience the path as your audience will. Rehearse timings to sync transitions and confirm presenter view displays navigation correctly. This helps with queuing. If a link breaks, pause and reassign the target using Insert Link or recreate the action button. Often the object lost its reference. One key troubleshooting tip: if links behave oddly, duplicate the destination slide, retarget links to the duplicate, and remove the original to clear hidden corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.